this is part 2 of vacuuming our minivan. It's been a while since we doing this. Just talking about what you see.
Open.
And this. It's gonna be so cool. This thing got so dirty. As you can see, we're going to untangle this thing. This thing is that thing right there is to hold the power cable. But for some reason, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing up.
There you go.
Thanks. But first, before I vacuum, the only attachment I'm going to use is just this one, Prince. Because that one hurts my hand. Because I like this one. Because it reaches less reach.
Nice.
This looks similar to a baton.
You're
actually putting coal in there. But what you can see on this side is in there. There's lots of dust in here. Probably because of the debris. Yeah. This looks similar to a bait. Because since I'm right here, I'm gonna get the assembly. Okay, this is the assembly that comes with it, which looks similar to a vacuum. As you can vacuum everything else. Woohoo! I accidentally did this woohoo sounds in the background because I was doing some most cleanup in this van. Do you like the way you can see? Very dark in there because I haven't also assembled. Because why disassemble it like this, then something appears. And if I step like this back again, then something appears like that. Because it may not like appear like that, but it's really does in there. No microtails? Good. So, this vacuum is a 4-gallon sub vac because this has a longer extension nozzle because you look the way that this disables and enables. So I'm gonna vacuum. 3, 2, 1. That's it. I'm done vacuuming. That's it, people. I'll see you next time.